Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man KSR Watch. Now this guy is definitely bringing the noise. He's new to the channel. He may not be new to the game, but he's definitely new to Huck's World. Now, before we get started, we are going to have a giveaway for this one. We're giving away 3 watch faces, people. Count them up, 3. All you simply got to do is comment in the comment section down below, and you have an opportunity to win a free watch face. I told you we had more freebies coming, and we got more coming after this. So let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. Now the name of the watch face is called Track King Premium Chronograph with green Lume AOD mode. Now this looks awesome in the AOD mode for the Gears 3. Now the Gears 2 is going to look slightly different, but for the Gears 3 you're going to get this green effect look, kind of similar to the Lumen. I thought this one stands out a lot. I like the look, and once the watch face is on, I'm loving the design. You get a few dials, you get the logo of the developer at the top, which I think brings out the watch face, and overall it has a premium luxury look to it, which means I could dress up and or I could dress down in this one watch face. Now it is interactive, so if I tap right here, I can go in and make a phone call. I could tap right here, check my battery info. Also, what's most important to you all is just steps. You like to keep in touch with your steps, your calories burned, things of that nature. And down here, your stopwatch, people. So I like what the developer brought to the table with this watch face. I'm going to give them 2 thumbs up in the door for creativity and design. Now, you are going to get some more watch faces that look similar to this one, which are part of the giveaway. And one is called Lume AOD. And that was going to have a turquoise look, which looks awesome just as well, especially if you like the color turquoise. Then he has a blue one, Blue Lume, which has a blue AOD mode, which blue is my favorite color, so that's right up my alley. But I like this green, so I thought I'd go ahead and review the green one versus the blue one. And then you have one that's called AOD. Now the AOD is going to pretty much look like the watch face when it's on. Still an awesome look. You can't beat this with a baseball bat. I thought the developer definitely got down on creativity with this watch face. Question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? All right, we got one more watch face to review. Don't go anywhere because here it comes. Watch face number 2. Number 2 is off the charts, people. This one is called Track King Red Bernie's Edition. I like this one. I like the red hands on this one. Now, yes, the watch face pretty much looks the same as the other ones, but let's take a look in the AOD mode. I think the AOD mode looks slick with this red color. This one looks nice. I wish, this is just my personal take on this one, I wish this one was also a watch face, a regular watch face, because I like the look and I like the design, how it blends in together. Very awesome look. Now in the AOD mode for the Gears 2, it's going to look different, but you're still going to be able to get an analog look just the same. Not bad at all. So when the watch face is on, you get the dials. It is going to be interactive. Very nice watch face. Again, the design is nice. I'm loving it. Now, the developer said he will also custom make you a watch face if he's not busy with other watch faces. And all you got to do is contact him through his Instagram or his email. And I'll leave it in the description box down below. So just in case you guys want to get your custom watch face made, you can contact this developer. I thought that was pretty nice of him to put that out there like that. Okay, people, at the end of the day, what did you think? Because I thought the developer definitely got down on this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure, don't forget now, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, go ahead. It is okay. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you all hit the notification bell as well, because as you know, Google don't send out all the videos as they should. And this way you get reminded when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care. Enjoy hump day. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.